What's up, DGens? Welcome to another Meme Monday. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. It is time for another Meme Monday, number 52, I believe. What a year it has been, more than a year of Meme Mondays. I really hope you guys have had a great weekend and are going to have a fantastic week ahead. What have we got set aside for today's Meme Monday? Well, we've got the meme volume, we've got the news, some call results as per usual, and what are the AI possibilities when it comes to meme tokens? Dupe Pro plus Let's Bonk Fun, and we have our weekly trade winner at the end of the video. Now we're dropping the weekly trade winners to just one winner for the time being until we can find some more momentum with the meme tokens. So just one weekly trade winner for the time being. At the end of the video, I'll give that away at the end of the video. And we have 2 7-day premium access to give away to the premium channel. Now, for those who are not yet familiar with the premium channel, with the DGen meme calls, let me just get you up to speed real quick. It's a real quick video so you guys can understand. If you're new here and don't yet quite know what we do, this is for you guys. Enjoy. The DGen meme calls. Let's try and do this in 2 minutes. Go. DGen Meme Calls is a comprehensive platform designed for traders navigating the dynamic world of Solana-based meme tokens. Our mission is to equip both novice and seasoned traders with the tools, insights, and community support necessary to excel in meme token trading. There are currently 4 key aspects to our service: free DGen Meme Calls, premium DGen Meme Calls, the DGen Checker Bot, and the DGen Meme Calls Scraper Bot. The free DGen Meme Calls channel provides curated calls, token snipes, launches, and gamble plays to help newcomers familiarize themselves with the meme token trading. You get access to select signals and calls, opportunities to participate in community discussions, and share trading experiences. A good place to frequent and decide if you want to take the next level to premium. Premium DNC Academy channel is tailored for advanced traders seeking enhanced features and exclusive content. A diverse range of trading signals and strategies, including pump fund migration signals, premium gambles, and smart money calls. Access to educational resources, video tutorials, and live streams to refine trading strategies and stay updated with market trends. Weekly trade competition airdrops. We've already given away 5 grand. The DGen Checker Bot is a specialized tool for traders interested in copy trading by identifying and analyzing successful and profitable wallets. Scan individual wallets or top 100 profitable wallets for specific tokens. Batch scanning capabilities and comprehensive wallet reports. Search our vault updated daily with many thousands of wallets. Premium has unlimited scans, and the free version you get 3 scans per day. The DGen Meme Calls Scraper Bot, an automation tool designed to enhance trading efficiency by scraping signals and executing trades across multiple platforms. Automation trading based on our own premium signals and calls, continuous updates and strategies to adapt to the evolving market conditions, compatibility with over 12 trading bots. How do you start with the DGen Meme Calls? Links for the DGen Meme Calls are in the description below to join the free channel to explore our offerings. Consider upgrading to the premium for full access to advanced tools and exclusive content. For a comprehensive understanding and to stay updated with the latest developments, visit our official website and consult our detailed guide right here and in the description. Guys, just a quick note, meme token trading carries inherent risks. We emphasize the importance of conducting thorough research and utilizing our tools to make informed decisions. And that is a quick intro to those who are new to the DGen Meme Calls. I hope that makes a lot of sense to anyone new to the channel. Now, for anyone watching this live stream, we're currently streaming on YouTube, so you can find all the links that I talk about in this live stream in the description below. If you do wish to win access to the premium channel, the premium giveaway will be happening on the free Telegram channel, which is linked in the description below as well. So make sure, if you want to win access to the premium channel for 7 days, jump over to that free Telegram channel and throw your hand in the air. Let us know that you want to get access to the premium channel. First 2 people to throw their hands in the air will pick to win access at the end of the live stream to get access to the premium channel, so you can check out whether you want to be a part of the community or not, see if it suits your trading style, see if it suits your style at all. So that is what's happening today. So again, at the end of the live stream, we're doing the top P&L card giveaway, $50 for the winner of that P&L card, and 2 by DMC Premium Channel, 7 days access. And we've given away more than $5,000 over the last 12 months to our premium members. So a lot of people who joined the premium channel joined for free because they won the free airdrops as well as the P&L card competitions. So a lot of people been doing very, very well, even during this time of the market where it's not so great. So stick with it, stay focused, wait for the market to return, but keep learning, keep grinding, so that when the market comes back, you'll be able to jump on board and start making some proper gains again. So let's look at the meme volume, but before we do that, let's jump into some of the news for the week. Let's have a look at the markets real quick. Some really great, strong markets over the last few days, over the last week even. Been looking really, really good. Bitcoin hitting 95K a couple of days ago, and Solana, I think, topping out at 155. But things looking pretty positive for the market recently, and could be hitting 100K again by the end of this, well, by next month, I would hope so. But looking really, really strong, good to see, and let's see shortly whether that volume is coming back with the market. So Solana priced to cross 3K. Wow. Analyst highlights massively bullish pattern. Solana is currently trading around 151 after posting 2% gain in the past 24 hours. The 6th largest cryptocurrency appears to be flirting with major breakout according to market analysts. Renowned analyst Ali Martinez recently noted that Solana has been quietly forming a textbook cup and handle pattern on the weekly chart since late 2021. Wow. It's interesting. At present, Sol is in the handle phase of the pattern, consolidating just below the key resistance levels. Crypto trader Camille also noted a major uptick in Solana's social volume metrics, signaling rising community engagement. He suggested that a breakout above 153, which happened already, resistance could send Sol to 180 in the near term. Well, we'll see. That would be nice. 3K Solana. Wouldn't that be good? Wouldn't that be good for you little Solana peeps? Mr. Bitcoin boom. Bitcoin Solaris offers a second chance to crypto wealth through Solana technology. If you ever looked back and wished you had bought Bitcoin in its early days, yes, you're not alone. A small investment back then could have changed your life today, but what if another opportunity is knocking? One that combines the proven value of scarcity with the latest technology in speed, efficiency, and accessibility. That opportunity might be here with Bitcoin Solaris, BTCS, the next generation cryptocurrency launched on the Solana blockchain. Bitcoin Solaris, the modern answer to old problems. Solaris combines Bitcoin's proven model with the advanced performance of Solana's high-speed infrastructure. BTCS is not just a coin, it's a full ecosystem ready for mass adoption. Fixed supply 21 million tokens, okay, like Bitcoin. BTCS is limited, making it a scarce digital asset from day one. Dual consensus architecture, proof of work, delegated proof of stake, speed, supports 10,000 transactions per second with just 2-second finality. Wow. 99% less energy compared to traditional Bitcoin mining, fully audited with bug bounty program and secure smart contracts. Mine from anywhere, true accessibility. One of the biggest innovations, Bitcoin Solaris introduces universal mining. Whether you have a smartphone or a mining rig, you can participate. Smartphone Solaris Nova app lets you mine on mobile using battery-saving features. Well, interesting. Laptops, desktops, balance mining that won't slow down your device. You might have to look a bit deeper into this. Earn passive income, use staked tokens, trade or hold without locking their funds, participate in governance decisions. Interesting. A rare window of opportunity. The project is currently in phase 1 pre-sale, giving early investors a chance to enter the foundational level before BTCS is widely traded, with only 3 months to participate and limited supply available during pre-sale. The early stage could be significant opportunity for long-term gains. Might put a pin in that one. Interesting stuff. Circulating USDC on Solana surpasses 10 billion. Well, that is quite a lot. That's huge. Includes bridged USDC, and if USDC issued on Solana, 10 billion. Wow, that's some serious capital waiting to deploy. What else has happened? Solana-powered helium announces that AT&T subscribers can now connect to the people-powered helium network across America. Oh, that's juicy. Tether announces Tether crosses 10% stake in Juventus Football Club. Wow. Peaky Blinders to be adapted into a blockchain-based video game and Web3 ecosystem. Well, that's interesting. I must have to watch that one. Haven't watched that one yet. Interesting stuff for news. Oops. Interesting news happening around the globe. Market is certainly looking fantastic, so hopefully things will continue in that trend. Okay. Pump Fund volume. Let's have a look. What's happening with the Pump Fund volume as well as Launch Lab. Now these links, guys, are in the description below. G'day Boyan, hope you're doing well. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for joining. Look at Launch Lab Go after Easter. Just after Easter, we pumped back up again. So 7,500 tokens created, 108 graduated. So Radium is on the rise. It's been a bit lackluster since the launch, but it's starting to look better. Look at this. Active addresses on the increase, looking good. Looking positive. Recent graduates. Token stats. So 4,000, 3,000, 7,500, 27th, which was a Sunday, I believe. Yes. Very cool. Pump Fund versus Launch Lab. Solana token DEX volume. This is a good comparison here. Pump Fund creation 6,436. So let's go to the day before. 24,000 on the 27th, 1,000 graduations. What? No. Graduation rate 4.5%. You sure about that? That's interesting. It's a lot higher than normal. Launch Lab, 7,596 tokens yesterday, 108 graduations, 1.4%. That's usual. That's still quite decent anyway, 1.42%. This is interesting. 3.6, 4.5. How is that possible? 28,000, 32,000, 33,000, 40,000. Clearly over the weekend, people are taking a break from launching tokens, but during the week, pretty strong. Graduated tokens 1,000 for PumpSwap. Yeah, that's interesting. Wow. Top token graduation time. 120, 180 seconds, 15%. 60 to 120, 10. Interesting. 180 to 300, 25, 300 to 600 seconds, so 5 to 10 minutes, 50, almost 50%. That's interesting. So you don't really want to get into these ones graduating so quickly. They're probably bundled. High stakes, higher scores, Pump Fund pays the wild ones. Interesting. So Radium P&L tiers, 24%, 24 hours. Pump Fund and PumpSwap tiers, 24 hours. So 10 to 50K profit, 20 wallets. 10 to 50K profit for Launch Lab or Radium, 7 wallets. 1 to 10, 298. 1 to 10, 664. Wow. 500 to 1K, 545 wallets, 500 to 1K, 1,223. Wow. A lot of people losing money on Pump Fund. Same. Pump Fund hourly volume 522, 488. Pump Swap volume 54, Pump Fund volume 31. Radium 553, wow. Wallet address. Cold scan list is a nice list to look at more details. Cold scan ticker. Hail. I need to look at that a bit more detail, I think. Let's see, Pump Fund daily revenue is kind of gradually pushing up again. Hovering around the 2 million mark, 2 million mark. It's pretty interesting. So tokens created is on the rise again. Dropped a little bit over the weekend, but that seems to be a trend anyway, so that'll pump back up again. Graduated 229 in the last 24 hours. That seems more like it. Weekly is definitely on the increase, 1.1, 1.3, 1.3. So definitely meme tokens are still hanging around. And the graduation rate is starting to improve, 1.2 during that week. Weekly graduation, so 1.2 is not doing too bad. So things are starting to come back around for Pump Fund or for meme tokens. Starting to look pretty decent again, if I could say so myself. So anyone who's kind of worried about the situation with the volume and whatnot, it's still pretty good. Obviously the weekends, you're not going to see much volume on the weekends. You know, a lot less volume usually. So sometimes it's better to take the weekend off and just go touch some grass. Spend some time with the family. G'day Ghost, how you going? Let's have a look at some calls results. How are the calls for the DGen meme calls performing? Let's jump over here and have a look, shall we? Now, as you know, as premium members, you can have a look at these calls and actually see the results. Let's go 7 days, and then we'll have a look at the 24 hours. There's been some great calls, I know, from some of the stuff that I've seen this week, some of the calls that I've seen this week. Seven days troll, 411x for troll. Let's see if that was a good call. Or was it bundled? Let's have a look at a couple of others. Cuck. PZ. PF Zuck. PF Zuck. All right. Interesting ones coming around, that's for sure. Okay, let's jump over here. Troll. Actually, not too bad, eh? Oh, it definitely was a good call. Jumping up to 12 to 13 million. Nothing really too bundled about that, it would seem. Didn't migrate too fast. decent chart. PF Zuck. How did that go this week? One of the better calls again. Whoa, look at that. That's decent. It's holding 6.38 million and trading sideways. That's interesting. No volume left though, but that was a great one as well. And Cuck. Let's have a look at Cuck. Let's see how well that did. Yep, decent. Not really scammy or bundled. Did pretty well. Got some nice volume there. Nothing left at the moment. Trading sideways at 3.54 million. So interesting. Jump back over here. Let's go have a look at some 24-hour trades. So the last 24 hours. So those are the 7-day trades. Troll, Cuck, PF Zuck. We've got a bunch of other ones. 227x, 283, 324, 351. Would have been fantastic calls to get in on those. If you got on those, lucky you. Now let's look at 24 hours. Hozito Cat. Hozito Cat. Let's have a look at you. And 4 degrees, I think that is. There's some funny names. Destiny. Destiny. Okay, let's have a look at some 24-hour trades. Let's get rid of those ones. Get rid of that. Uh-oh. Which one's this one? 4 degrees. Oh, they're looking good. Jumped up to 546. Not a bad effort. That seems to be about the average, I think, right now for the premium gambles, I would say. Premium gambles probably getting up to between 500 and 1 million, majority of them. And then, or the ones that run anyway. Then you have those other ones that are reaching 5 to 10 million as well. That would have been a decent, nice little gain to get in on the last 24 hours. And then we have Destiny. Again, another nice one, 350 odd. Decent for short-term gain, that one. It's good to see that not a lot of these are really scammy. Maybe this one's a little bit scammy, but still 770,000 odd. Would have been decent to get in on that one as well. Might have been a bit bundled, as if you can see, probably a bit manipulated there, I'd say. But still, there are some decent calls to get in on when it comes to channel, that's for sure. So we have last 24 hours, 24x, 19, 16, 11, 8. And the performance, 5x 18%, 2x 56%. So 56% are doing a 2x from launch. Migration rate 44% from within our channel. And medium's 118%. That's all right. And the 7 days, 158% medium. And 5x 25%, 2x 62% medium. Migration rate 33% from the calls in the channel. That's being mixed up with a lot of other channels, so it's not really accurate. So I wouldn't worry about that. But very, very interesting, very, very cool, very good calls happening still. And the volume is starting to come back. And if you may have noticed, some of those copy traders, your wallets have started waking up. And I've had some wallets waking up this week with the volume, so it's been very, very good to see. So do not fade the Solana meme coins right now, because it's starting to pick up again. So those are the calls for the last 24 hours and 7 days. Still looking pretty good. Pump fund volume is there. Launch Lab. There's some other products launching as well, which is going to bring up the volume for Solana. So be very, very bullish on Solana, I can tell you that now. Sorry about my nose. Allergies. So what are the possibilities with AI? I can tell you for the last month, I've been doing a lot of deep diving into AI agents, and I've gone down the rabbit hole of AI, and I'm not coming out of that rabbit hole anytime soon, I can tell you that now. There are at least 3 revolutions that I'm witnessing in my lifetime and your lifetime as well. That is internet, the revolution of the internet. That was something that, if you could see the future, I mean, there's so much opportunity there when it comes to the internet, when things were starting to take off. If you could only see ahead and think ahead. Now you have that opportunity because we have cryptocurrency, which has been around obviously for about 15 years now, but it's still very, very early. We're still in that 1990s stage or phase with crypto. So things are very, very early with crypto. And that's another phase that we're going through, a financial revolution with cryptocurrencies and blockchain. And now, in my opinion, we have a third revolution, which is AI and AI agents and AI in general. Everything that's happening with AI is going to be an absolute mind blow. The mind will blow where in the next 5 to 10 years how fast things are going to move, and things are already moving really, really fast when it comes to AI and AI agents. I'm absolutely gobsmacked what I've been able to achieve. Just me personally, I'm not expert at AI. I've just been playing around with AI agents, deep diving with AI agent stuff and getting into that rabbit hole, and it's just absolutely nuts what you can do with AI agents. And I've fallen in love with this one particular one, N8N, which is a great AI agent, has many, many possibilities to utilize. And I've started exploring and implementing some of the things in our channels with N8N. And seriously, the change, AI is going to change the game for everything. Every single thing we do in the real world is going to change in the next 5 to 10 years. So you're better off getting ahead of the game now. So don't miss the cryptocurrency revolution. You're on spot with that, no problems. Do not miss the AI revolution, because that is going to be an absolute game changer as well. And only your imagination will limit what can be achieved. And that is absolutely true from what I've seen. So what I've started doing, a few examples for AI agents and how we can utilize those with meme tokens and our community as well. Creating a knowledge base, or a RAG, what you might call it. Trading questions support, so actual support questions answered in real time by AI agents. Wallet checker possibilities, we're going to go over that. AI token analysis and chat GPT updates. Some of the updates that have been coming out have absolutely been game changers in the last few weeks. So without further ado, let's have a quick look at some of these updates and possibilities. So first things first, the knowledge base. Now what I decided to do was create a knowledge base, or created a RAG, retrieval augmented generation, with N8N and Quadrant. So what did I do? I converted the DGen meme calls guide.dgenmemecalls.com to a vectorized database on Quadrant. So that takes all the information, all the how everything works, our services, our products, everything from this guide, and it's now on N8N as a RAG through Quadrant, recording our information on that database. So by converting the Gitbook guide and storing the data on a vectorized database, we can now use N8N AI agents to retrieve data and provide information when requested through certain chatbots. Current chatbots just launched for our community on the dgenmemecalls.com website and the DMC Premium Telegram channel, and I'll give you a quick demo of those right now. So everything you can learn from this guide here, a lot of information to go through, and it will take a lot of time to go through to really learn. You can now just simply ask a chatbot, and it will retrieve all this information and give you the answer that you're looking for. So the first one is the website. So we have a chatbot or a chat window here on the website, which now dives into our guide knowledge base and answers any questions you want to ask. Now, for those who happen to find us through the official website, you'll be able to ask any questions related to our products and services via the chatbot, which directly accesses the guide data and returns relevant answers. Sorry, my picture's in the way there. Want to know more about our calls, the batch limit for DGen Wallet Checker? The knowledge base will give you the answer instead of trying to hunt for it yourself. So let's jump over to the website. Now, guys, do be kind to me. I'm no expert at AI agents yet. I'm working on it. So the return of the data I'm still working on getting the right data returned, and I'm still working on the implementations. So this is just a demo of how things work. It is live, but it may not be perfect right now. I'm still working on it. So do be kind. Let's just do one quick question here live on the website. Ask about our services and access our knowledge base. So let's ask, say for a question, what are the batch scan limits for the DGen Wallet Checker? I hope it's running. And it should come back with the answer that is basically within the guide. So really, it's just giving me the link now. So sometimes it will give you the link directly to the actual information, or it will give you the information. So sometimes it's a bit lazy. No. So maybe there's a problem with the hookup. So I need to refresh that information, but that is accessing our live knowledge base. But maybe there's an issue right now with the, I think I know what I've done. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know what I've done. The website, I will need to restart the knowledge base for the website. I was creating the Telegram side, and I turned the website side off. So that won't be returning, as you can see, not returning the data just yet because I've temporarily turned that one off. But I'll turn that on again after the stream. But you'll get an idea through the Telegram channel. So the next one is the Telegram chatbot. So now for the Telegram chatbot, we have the same knowledge base that you can access, the same one through the website, and the same one through the Telegram chatbot, which should go okay because I know it's running. The website is not quite running just yet. What we have though for the Telegram chatbot and for the premium members only, there are two knowledge bases to choose from inside the premium DGen Meme Calls channel. The DGen Meme Calls guide, as previously mentioned, and also now a separate copy trading knowledge base. Now what I've done, I've created a copy trading knowledge base using full video transcripts from all of my 27 copy trading videos, and it pulls the answers to questions related to copy trading from the database of all those transcripts. That's a lot of data, 27 videos. I've created a lot of copy trading videos on many different bots, and you'll be able to get a lot of information. Now I've taken the transcripts from all those videos, put them into the database on Quadrant, so you can ask a lot of questions about copy trading and hopefully get a relevant answer. By using N8N, we can now answer questions directly in the premium DGen Meme Calls channel in relation to our products and services, and now also answer technical questions that are quite often asked in the premium channel when it comes to copy trading. And how do you ask those questions? So you need to use prefixes when you ask the questions, and this is for the premium channel. So those who are not yet on the premium channels is not relevant for the free channel, but you'll get access to this on the premium channel. To ask a question to the guide knowledge base, you will need to use a prefix Q or /Q and then ask your question for a question about the DJ meme calls and check a bot to get a response from the knowledge base. To ask a question in relation to copy trading knowledge base, you will need to use a prefix /V to ask your question, to ask about the copy trading settings, various copy trading bots, etc. So here's an example: /Q will access the DJ meme calls guide, /V will get you access to the transcripts for copy trading. So let's try ask a question about copy trading, and hopefully this one's going to work for me. So here we are on the premium channel, the DMC chat. Now all you need to do, let's access the guide, ask the same question. What are batch scan limits for the DGen wallet checker? And that should take a few seconds to come back with an answer. /Q, and we're asking a question. You can find the batch scan. No, it doesn't seem to be running. Let me just do a quick check. Just have a quick look at that. Maybe I've gone over my limit for the quadrant database. It is the free version. Let's have a look at these executions for a second. Yes, seems to be getting an error. Let's ask a question about the copy trading. What should I copy trade a sniper? And that's a video question for the copy trading transcripts, if it's working for me. It generally is not recommended to copy trade someone who is frequently sniping, as they tend to make multiple buys without balanced approach to selling. Snipers typically highlight more frequent purchases instead of strategic sell-offs, which can lead to risks. So very interesting answer and very good answer. So let's have another one. What gas settings should I use for copy trading? Let's ask another question to the channel again. So this is going back through all my see, that's not right. Gas price, keep it between 0.1 and 2 sol. Slippage 30%. Okay, that's about right. So price impact, maximum 5% price impact. So again, I need to go through and reorganize the data. So go easy, guys. I'm still working out how to properly present this data for you, but it's getting there. Let's ask, what are the bonding curve triggers for the calls, for the guide? See if this is going to work for me. Giving it a run. There you go. The bonding curve triggers for the calls for the DJ meme calls are set at specific points along the bonding curve: 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. And for further details, you can refer to the DMC Scraperbot introduction. So that is working well. Just a few things I need to update in relation to bringing back the right data. Might need to update the prompts on those. Again, go easy, guys. It is yeah, the web one is turned off at the moment, so web one is not working. So I need to do some work on that, but that is a fantastic way to be able to support the community, to be able to ask questions directly in the premium channel about the DGen guide, get questions directly back, being able to ask questions about copy trading, anything about copy trading. What I'm curious about this one. trading bots are the fastest. I'm curious to see if that one's going to give me an interesting answer. Takes a few seconds. TradeWiz, Dbot, Bloom, Odin, and Trojan. That's about right. So yeah, it's working pretty well. Just need to update some of that structure of the data and get that working a little bit better, but that is now available. The website will be available after the live stream. I'll have to turn that back on. That's currently inactive. So awesome. Wallet hunting benefits. The AI benefits of wallet hunting. Now, obviously we have one of the best wallet checkers on the market. So that is fantastic. But if we elevate our checker bot with AI, I truly believe it will take us over the edge and make us even better than the rest. And Raf is currently working on creating some APIs that will have similar queries to the actual DGen checker bot in the Telegram bot. So we will be able to put things like live on a website where we can enter these values into a website, and this will run through our N8N AI agents, and we can give bigger levels of analysis to wallets or to particular trends for wallets in the back end to try and find profitable wallets on top of these stats as well. So this will be available through the DMC Academy website when it's ready. Premium members only, and on top of the same wallet hunting features you see in Telegram, there'll be an element of AI analysis for searches. So when you search for wallets, we'll have AI agents in the background that will also do other deep analysis of wallets as well to give us potential red flags for wallets or potential highlights for wallets. It'll help us choose better wallets in the long term, not just by hunting for these stats. Even potentially just asking a simple question in our chatbot, return the top 50 profitable wallets today, and you already have all your filters set. So the chatbot can go through and do all that for you with simple questions like that. So this is going to be a game changer again. So taking you out of the Telegram bot into a DGen Academy website where you'll be able to actually interact with AI agents and get even better results for wallet checks. That is something to look forward to. I can't wait to get my hands on stuff like that, the APIs, and start working out some interesting stuff with the AI agents to elevate the results for the wallet scans. Be very, very interesting. Premium calls, again, another layer of analysis for premium calls. So how can AI help with the calls? Again, the potential is limitless when it comes to the current real-time calls and potentially creating AI agents that listen to the calls in real time and do a deeper analysis of tokens that would take us humans 1 to 2 minutes. AI agents could do deep research in seconds and automatically trade tokens that meet our filter requirements. So again, you can see we have the scraper bot, which is fantastic for auto trading, but we don't get that chance to really look at a token and have a bit more of a deep dive into a token. When you do trade manually, it takes you maybe 1 to 2 minutes to really look into a token. With AI agents and N8N, we can really do token research within seconds from these premium calls. So we could listen to these calls, and with every single call or ones that you focus on, then these AI agents could do deep research within a few seconds and automatically trade your tokens depending on the results of their deep research. This is something we need to seriously research and potentially implement in the future. Auto trading on steroids, definitely a possibility for greater potential wins with AI agents. N8N, I'm loving N8N, it's just such a powerful tool. So the potential for calls doing deep research in the back end within seconds and then auto trading through AI agents is definitely a possibility. So AI is moving fast. There's been some incredible updates, and ChatGPT has launched some amazing new features. You know, the updates for 3.0 and 4.0 and 4.0 are quite incredible. It used to tell you when you do research on AI or ChatGPT, it used to be up to a certain date you can only get certain information because they hadn't caught up to the latest, you know, they're pretty much weeks and weeks old with their data. Now it's instant. It's quite instant. It literally is. There's faster response times, more natural conversations, stronger reasoning abilities, expand memory, multimodal capabilities, more affordable and efficient. So it's just accelerating. Everything is accelerating. Grok, Claude, ChatGPT, and all these AI agents are absolutely going quite ballistic right at the moment. Do not miss the boat, I can tell you that now. And do you remember these X posts? They still pop up now and then, but there used to be these X posts a bit more often, where someone would say, I'm making six-figure profits from auto trading with ChatGPT Pro. A lot of these posts were just really ways to get people into the membership or into a community, trying to entice people to sign up for a subscription or something like that. There really is, obviously there is some value to creating trading bots within AI, and these AI agents like N8N are definitely breaking that barrier. So there is a way to do these trading bots through these AI agents, but people making six figures or hundreds of thousands of dollars, I think it's just a bit of a fake marketing plot. But there's definitely some smoke in that area, and let's have a quick look, see if I can jump over here. Now, let me just jump over to here. EMC. Now, I just did a quick test today using the latest prompts with ChatGPT, and honestly, it was so easy. This took me literally 10 minutes through ChatGPT, and gave me everything I needed. Created this N8N workflow for me that I just imported into N8N, and all it does is it hunts for the latest tokens on Dex Screener and sorts out potential tokens through here, and then it grabs the token information, and then it filters liquidity pairs. So this is what I'm talking about when it comes to our calls, our premium calls. We could send these calls to to N8N, our AI agents, to do deep research. It takes a few seconds to do this research, and then it sends it back to TradeWiz or whatever trading bot you want to work with, whether it's Trojan, Dbot, Bloom. This took me 10 minutes to do, and it was so easy. And then it could automatically trade tokens that picks up here. So this is the only token that came back with liquidity. So just take this contract address and put this in here and see if it's any decent. Solana 2025. So not too bad. Just launched literally 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. So there you go. It's that simple. You could set this up on a cron job and let it run. So it just scans every 5 minutes and picks up 1 or 2 tokens every 5 to 10 minutes and automatically trades the token for you. Now we can do this obviously through our meme calls as well, and do deep research on particular tokens that look good, and spit them back into your trading bot of your choice. This again, only took me 10 minutes to do with ChatGPT. So easy to do. And if we go back to ChatGPT, we're on ChatGPT 03. All I need to do is ask, I'll do a really, really simple prompt. Give me the top graduated tokens of the last 24 hours on the Solana blockchain from Pump Fund and Launch Lab. Provide the name, description, contract and social links. Something so simple, but it can do deep research on this pretty quickly. And if I were to write this anything like this a few months ago, it would just come back and say, I'm sorry, I only have this information from October or whatever. So let's just have a quick look at that and let that run. That'll come back, think about it for a little bit, but it'll spit out the last 24 hours. Pump Fund, top graduated tokens from Pump Fund and Launch Lab. It's quite interesting what you can do with ChatGPT now, the way it accesses and researches things. And this can all be sent through AI agents and create social posts, create videos, create blog posts. It's just endless, the possibilities. Quite incredible. So we now have Dupe Pro. Jupiter has launched a pro trading platform. Another dig towards eating the market share of Pump Fund. Still thinking about that. Dupe Pro, Jupiter's exchange, new power user interface, launched in mid-April 2025 to give alpha-hungry Solana traders a CEX-grade experience without leaving DeFi. It sits at dupe.ag.pro, link is in the description, and is built on the same liquidity aggregator engine that already routes orders across 29 Solana dexes. But from my quick look, doesn't have a few of the standard tools you might expect a meme token trading platform to have. So let's have a quick look. So that is still thinking, but it's doing a lot of research on that prompt. So here we have Dupe Pro. So it's another trading platform. So you have your Axioms, your Bullexes, whatnot. Now we have Dupe Pro, and we have Alpha Scan. Alpha Scan is obviously that way of looking at launching tokens, ones that are about to graduate and ones that have already bonded. So pretty cool, standard stuff that you see on all those trading platforms, and you can filter out tokens. I like to, where did that launch? Interesting. I like to filter out tokens, and especially, market cap wise. There's some decent filters here. You got your X channels, your search for CA, your website, top 10 holders, the amount of holders. The only thing is, when you come onto the actual chart for trading, it only has the 1 minute mark, so there's no speedy charts that I can see, and there's also not a lot of details about things like you might get from Axiom that I've seen yet. I might have missed it, but you don't get your bundled percentages, whatnot, unless I'm missing something. But it's a great start if they can add in the 1 second charts, because that's when you really need those charts to trade live here on with meme coins. So, but looking pretty good. Pro version and Alpha Scan. A lot of BonkBot tokens coming through. We're going to get into that in a second. Why is that so lagging? That's weird. Again, the link to that is in the description. Best MEV protection, best token terminal, 10x lower fees. Okay, that's good. Just improve the trading terminal a little bit, and I think you might have something there, I reckon. Now we have Let's Bonk Fun. Now, if you didn't notice, on the alpha here, we have the platforms, or the launch platforms. Pump Fund, Virtuals, Dealer, Dialect, Meteora, Radium, Cook Memes, a bunch of other ones. GoFundMe. Let's Bonk Fun is a new one. Now, BonkBot team have decided to launch their own platform. BonkBot team are cooking self-serve meme coin factory. Fill in a name and ticker, pay a small on-chain fee, and the platform deploys your token with a bonding curve market maker and instant Radium liquidity pool. Built by the Bonk community and Radium, code and liquidity routing come from Radium's launchpad contracts, with Bonk providing branding and incentives. So, Bonk Fun, let's Bonk Fun. You can launch a new token. So, obviously, another competitor to the likes of Pump Fun and the other platforms. Where you can launch tokens, and you can see the freshly launched, last traded, creation time, market cap. Obviously, everything's pretty much Bonk related when it comes to launching tokens on BonkBot, but Bonk Fun. But there's been a few runners over the last week that I've seen when it comes to Bonk. So we'll see how that performs. And you can launch your own token right here. Very, very easy to do, like everything else in Pump Fun and Launch Lab. Very, very simple. You can create a lot of the same details, websites, telegrams, Twitter, etc. It's all there, ready to rock and roll. This one, Pepe Bonk. And you can focus on Let's Bonk Fun directly here in the Dupe Pro terminal, which is pretty cool. So keep an eye out for Bonk tokens, potentially some runners coming from there as well. Yeah, decent 270k volume, 2132. See if there's any decent tokens. Oh yeah, still plenty there. Yep, that's not 100,000 market cap though. So yeah, Dupe Pro and Bonk. Let's Bonk Fun. What's Let's Bonk Fun? Let's Bonk.fun. Self-serve meme coin factory on Solana, built by BonkBot and Radium team and community. Live since April, so it's really just launched probably in the last few days. How the economics work: token creation, trading swaps, fee distribution, fee flow, small upfront fee in Sol, -1 platform fee on each 1% platform fee for each buy and sell. Portion of Bonk Sol validator, portion used to buy and burn Bonk. So very, very good for Bonk if you're a Bonk holder like me. Deters spam while staying cheaper than a traditional launch. Why it matters. Keeps the site sustainable and funds Bonk-centric incentives. Drives continuous Bonk demand and reduces circulating supply. Now that's one thing I want to mention. Since they launched Let's Bonk Fun. Oops. The BonkBot, or Bonk, I keep saying BonkBot, has absolutely ripped in the last week. So obviously it's doing wonders for Bonk itself. Let's jump back into the 1 hour. Yep, you can see the volume. Volume's increased, so maybe it launched around the 23rd, 24th, and look at that go. So Bonk holders, very, very happy indeed, and I'm one of them, so pretty cool. So that launch pad that they've launched is definitely helping the price of Bonk, so doing pretty good stuff for Bonk in general. So why traders care? Immediate Radium listing. Tokens are live on the major DEX from block 1. No manual LP setup. Pump Fun style experience. Same meme coin virility loop, but under the Bonk brand. ecosystem kickback. Every swap nudges bonk price and funds validator rewards, aligning incentives for bonk holders. You saw that. The price really increased over the last week. New speculative layer, the site's own governance token, Let's Bonk rocketed to 30 million market cap. So I missed that one, but that's pretty cool. Pump Fund versus Let's Bonk Fund. Pump Fund is independent team. Let's Bonk Fund is Bonk and Radium. Fee usage, team revenue only, supports Bonk validators and token burns. So double kickback there. Base UX, similar bonding curve. Brand hook, platform brand only. Leverages biggest meme coin community, Bonk. So yeah, there's some definite competition there. But I would say Let's Bonk Fund has got some work to do to catch up to Pump Fund, as well as Launch Labs as well have got some work to do. Okay, it is time for us to pick the top P&L card for the last week. Let's jump in and have a look. There hasn't been a lot of activity, understanding that a lot of people are taking a time off from trading. But let's have a look at how things have been performing for the last week. Now, we're only picking one winner for the time being until things pick up again. So hopefully things will pick up and we can start opening up for a second prize as well. So we're going to do the top percentage in gains. So we have Sven here, 449%. Doing pretty well. Alex, 667. 1,000 for Sven. Wow, it's decent. Test trade, that one. 231 for Alex, 403. 1476 for Alex. Your Royal Freshness, 103. 285. 222 for me. 34. 38. 173 for me. And that is the week that was. Not a lot of activity, but we're still in the hunt to give away for the top gainer this week. And I think that might have been Alex, 1476. Yes. Alex, you win the prize this week. Top trader for this week, $50. Congrats. Again, we'll pick that up and start opening up the prize a bit more when things pick up in terms of the volume trading and the membership again as well. Now, there won't be any random giveaway tonight like we normally do. Again, waiting for the volume to pick up and the membership to pick up again. So no random draw tonight, but if you want to be in the running to win some airdrops, the $50 trading airdrop, get into the trading competition, start entering into that and getting some great trades coming through. All right, DGens, that is wrapped for another Meme Monday. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're having a great week ahead. I hope you have lots of plans. Don't forget to continue grinding away at learning to trade, learning to copy trade, learning to auto trade, whether you're using the scraper bot or the copy trading. Jump in and keep learning, keep grinding, because when the market turns around, you need to be ready and be set and know what you're doing. So do not stop, do not give up, keep grinding, because the market is coming back soon and it is showing signs of peaking. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week ahead. Make it a profitable one. Thanks again for joining us, and I hope to see you again next week. See you again soon, guys. Have a great one. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye for now.